Peter from SheffLOCK, again attending another lock snapping attempt burglary this time though. As you can see, I'm on a main road here. This is actually the front of the property. As you can see here, they have snapped the handle. They've actually grabbed onto the lock there, but it looks like they've been disturbed. The neighbour has also seen footprints on their drive. This obviously on the front of the property. So obviously the burglars, they will still attempt getting people's houses on the front, the rear, the sides. They're not bothered. They couldn't care less. And like I say, this is not a busy road, but it is certainly the front of a property. So obviously we are now going to install a Ultian on this lock to eradicate this method.